It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 91 Hartford Avenue, Providence, Rhode Island. Providence Lofts, Unit 111. It's a first floor studio loft for rent, roughly 850 square feet. Starting a video tour right when you walk in. The spacious closet here, on your left. High ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Huge open floor plan. To my right, bathroom, the shower, no tub, toilet, vanity. Kitchen area here, electric stove, built-in microwave, brand new cabinets, countertops, undermount sink, refrigerator, your open studio here, very spacious. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Ave, Unit 111, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.